Hey y'all. Oh, shablam, instant white. Mod Podge. Yep. Gonna hit it all. Yeah, get that out of the way. Just gonna cover all of that with the Mod Podge. A lot of Mod Podge. Just really get it in there. And about 315 minutes later, gonna get this old napkin. Got that at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, just make sure you take apart those layers there. Yep, it's a real pain in the A. So, yeah, there we go. Just throw it over there. Okay. Line it up. There we go. Yep. Okay. And get a little wax paper. Wax paper is your friend. Just don't push down too hard, because I'm going to tell you, I already ruined one. So this is the second time. Mod Podge got stuck to the wax paper, so that wasn't fun. Oh, who needs a heat gun, Just get you a little $25 Revlon hair dryer there. I mean, it works perfect. Yep, drying it up there. A little spinsy. A little more spinsy. That thing, found out quickly, was a waste of time. I'm going to tell you the best thing. Yeah, that. Best way to get that off of there. Little Harbor Freight sanding block. You can get a pack of 10 of those for like $5. They work really good. Just get it all off there. Yep, a little more. Okay, I see you. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. I mean, whatever works. Oh, and then I decided that I would just go ahead and distress the pizza pan, because I already did it a little bit trying to get the napkin off there, and it was looking cute, so. Little Mod Podge. Man, I quickly found out that that was a real, not going to work out. So if I'm a little bottle, I'm just squirt it all on there. So we're going to coat that whole thing with Mod Podge to seal it. If you hang it on a door, this will help, seal it from all the weather and whatever can get to it outside. We're going to paint some little wooden stars that I found at Hobby Lobby. In the kids crafting section, you get like a big pack of like stars and hearts and just little wooden pieces. They're cute. So we're going to paint it 2 of those blue, paint the one red. You'll see here where I shouldn't have probably poured it right into the blue paint, because then I mixed the blue with the red. Yeah, I'm trying to get it off the brush. This part right here, I put nautical rope from the Dollar Tree all the way around. So then here, we're just going to figure out the placement that we want on these stars. Yeah, looking good. Maybe. Okay. Yes, all right. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, good. Then we got you. And then I realized that there's freaking paint all over the U. After some time sanding, they're how I like them. So now we got that laid out here. We're going to lay our little guy on here. Little gnome. You looking cute or whatever. And I show you how to get him to stand kind of off the board too. We're going to glue these bad boys down. They cute. Here we go. We're gluing them. Blah, blah, blah. I won't make you watch as I do all of those. Here we are, magically on the last one. So, get him glued down. Yay, looking beautiful. Okay. So we're going to move on to gluing our stuff down with a Surebonder mini glue gun here. He cute. Glue our letters on. Where do we want them? Oh, perfect. Okay. Get some glue strings out of the way here. Go and glue the S on. Yeah. Get that glue right. Oh, bam. Alright. Now we've moved on to the A and show you how to get that glue. Just glob it on there. It doesn't even matter. Beautiful. And bam. Heck yeah. They stuck, glue strings and all. Woo! Okay, so we got some Dollar Tree Jenga blocks here. We're going to get him to stand off the board, so we're going to take this E6000, because that stuff doesn't come off anything. So we're going to put a little dab of that on there. A little more, apparently. A lot of dabs. Come on, girl. Little hot glue. See, the hot glue will help hold it down while the 6000 has time to dry and set. So, I'm going to hold him down. Yep, just like that. Okay, alright, I see you. Yeah, you got it. You got it. It's good. You don't have to do that. It's good. Not slow. Come on, girl. We can get the glue strings later. Oh my God, it's stuck, man. Bro. Anyways. Yep, looking cute. Looking cute. I see you. Okay, so then we're gonna put another dab of that. E6000. Because once you stick that on the pizza pan there, it ain't coming back off. I mean, you could try, but... Alright, we're going to hit some hot glue for some Insta-Stick. Yep. Oh, yeah, right on the feet. Come on, girl. No, a little bit more. Yeah, the hot glue gun was really... The glue just was not hot enough. Here we go. Alright. Sticking this bad boy down. Yeah. So now we're going to put a hanger on the back. Yep, the back of the pan's looking a little rough. That's okay. Alright. So we're going to do like this. Figuring out how long we need the rope. And we're going to cut it with these Harbor Freight cutters here. They work really good, actually. Okay. Yes, right, nope, alright. Looking good. Hot glue this bad boy down. You got it. Hitting it with the old Surebonder cordless glue gun. That thing's bad A, if you're wondering. Love it. Oh, yeah, I'm going to need a little stabilizing piece of burlap there. Okay, just glob it on there, just whatever works. I'm going to do that. We're going to get our fingers away from the hot glue, because I have a blister from the other day from doing that, and that was a wonderful time. I really enjoyed it. I won't make y'all endure all of the rest of this trying to get this freaking hot glue to stay down. Alright, now we're going to move on to making our bow. This cute little fabric I found at the Walmarts. It's like $1.47 or something. I don't know. I liked it. Okay, then we're going to cut that into strips. I already kind of started them, because you cut them like halfway and then you just rip them. Once you rip them, it kind of gives them that frayed look. It's kind of fun, you know. But, sorry for my nose running. I'm sitting outside freezing to death because, you know, why go in the house? I mean, who has time for that? Anyways, trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life, clearly. Get this crap out of the way. Okay. Alright, we're going with with that, we're just gonna start cutting. We don't even measure around here. Who needs a measuring tape? Just cut them. Then I thought, why not add a little bit of this pearly ribbon stuff from the Dollar Tree? I mean, you know, it could be cute or whatever. And no measuring, just cut it. Who cares? It'll be cute or whatever. Here's my whole video of my elbow. I mean, man, you know, it'd be really cool to have a video photographer, whatever you call that, videographer, I don't know. Yeah, we're not going to cut that. I thought about it, but, you know, we're not, so. Okay, so now we're going to move on to making the bow, figuring out where we want to place these. Yes. Looks good. Maybe not? Nah. Try again. Okay. So it made sense to put the longer pieces in the back, you know, probably from the get-go, but that's not how my brain works. So, and I actually made a bow before this, and it was too small. So you'll see in a few minutes that I'm actually going to put the smaller bow and this new bow together. And that's how I come up with the bow that's going on it. But here we go. Looking cute, looking cute. Yep, place a little bit here, a little bit there. This is called a messy bow. And they are messy. It does not stay in place. Okay, moving on. Laid that little pearly wrap down. Oh, here's some little pieces of this 2 smaller strip that I cut earlier. Because, you know, who has time to measure and all. Whatever. But it ends up looking cute, so that's what matters. Alright, then we get our little zip tie out, you know. Little skinny zip tie. Okay, come on, you got this. Just focus. You got it. Alright, okay. Yeah. I'm still working on it, apparently. Okay. We're going to move this little piece to the back. Come on. Okay, finally got my life together. Here we go. Got the bow, we're doing the stuff, we're doing the things. Alright, great. It's tight, girl. Oh, look how cute it is. But it's just not big enough. I wasn't really feeling it, you know, and yeah, you'll see in a minute what happens. So, but she cute. I mean, yep, we're gonna try her out on here. Oh, girl, get it. But, you know, she's a little small, so didn't really work out and stuff. I don't know. And here we are, finally figuring out that 2 bows make a better 1 bow. So, 2 bows stacked on top of each other later. And she cute. Like, just look at it. Oh, you cute or whatever, I see you. So, we're going to lay it down. We're going to glue it down. Get your glue in. Yeah, there you go. What happened? Okay. And we're back to gluing. Just really glob it on there, you know. Don't make it like any rhyme or reason. Just throw it on there. I mean, what's the big deal? Here's some more of my elbow, but whatever. Okay, we're going to fluff it out. Yes, perfect. Beautiful. Work it. Go on. Show the people, girl. What you waiting on? Oh, I forgot. We decided to get a little half bead going, you know. Really cover up that zip tie. I mean, it was bringing a lot to the party and all, but I mean, come on. Like, you're a little plastic, and we want wood in our life. So, we're going to glue this little puppy on with our little bad boy mini mite Surebonder glue gun there. Stick it on. Yeah. You got it. Hold it down for 30 minutes, because why not, you know. Get some glue strings out of the way, and cue show the people with our camera angle all out of whack. Super cute. Oh my God, girl, killing it. I see you. You working it. Get it. Yeah, and there's some more glue strings hanging off, but who cares, right? And here we are, cue finished product. Yeah, I see you. Ooh, killing it. You're looking good. So, thanks for watching.